Yes, go ahead.
There's a question of words says, how to balance between giving tzedakah and modesty. Is it proper for women to reach out to help poor men or vice versa?
No, it's not. It's not. It's a very good question. Because it would create some familiarity, and that's not what we want. So even in cases where women are allowed to give tzedakah, let's say she's single and she has all of her money, she's allowed to do whatever she wants, or she's a widow, right? She's not right, so she can take do whatever she wants with her money. Right, but when this person, if you ever gave to a poor person, and I know some tzaddikim, so they started thanking you for profusely, this person. I know a few of them. I want to just drop that. I thank you. I said, please stop. I start begging them to stop. It's not like we gave a lot. I don't know, we could maybe give even more, but this person is so so touched because maybe I don't know the situation. I don't ask, right? Maybe other people don't give, don't treat them well, this and that. I don't know what's going on. But if it would become from between men and women. So the next thing she said, please come to my house. Maybe I'm going to give you tea, and it's not proper. You understand? So to go out and give money, open the door, give money, no problem. But to get him in, that's the problem. So and when he gets too familiar, this poor person. And right, so sensitive, and so that's not good. So I'm trying to keep the distance, basically. So in this case, for women, it's better to do it indirectly, unless they knock at your door and you have no choice. You open the door. Or ring your bell. That's a different story. Understand? So, but better to keep the distance. For women, yes. So go as we said. There is it's priority always to give to women, not to men, right? Because of the laws of the modesty, right? It's not modest for a woman to go and ask for tzedakah. And few times, we didn't go to this neighborhood for many years now because I don't go anywhere. We have this very religious after Bnei Brak, I guess. The most religious neighborhood in the world where I live, not too far from it, but few times we saw that the women begging, not the women, the younger girls. I don't know, age maybe 70, 80, and look religious, and I don't know what's going on. She was mumbling, so of course I don't want I sent my wife to give her money, of course. But if the girl is standing in the middle of in this religious neighborhood, and she's asking for tzedakah, it's in a broad daylight, situation is very, very bad. When man is asking, elderly man, okay, it's understandable. It's right, but women asking, that's you must give because of tznius issues. Right. Okay. So I guess for women, she can get to know who is in need. So you just ask. There's so much need. You just ask, and they're going to give you the list of the people. And you pick yourself who you want to give. Another lady. That's it. Okay.